Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's February 15th, Friday morning, and we are seeing some recovery in grain prices here overnight, and actually they've been able to sustain the rally that we've seen overnight so far. So that is a good sign. We expect that we could see some short covering here going into the long weekend, and this is happening here this morning. The weather conditions in South America, however, they've added a little more rain. They're getting some rain down there right now with anywhere from 60 to 75% coverage, and in fairly good amounts. Temperatures are going to cool off next week, so most areas that got rain should be ideal here for a period of time. We've got NOPA crush at 11 o'clock today. That'll be released over Reuters with a contract that they've made with them. So we'll have to get it from Reuters News here this morning. The trade's looking for about 159.5 million bushels crushed during the month of January. That's going to be the highest number since January of 2010. And some estimates are looking at the possibility of the record, which would be the 2009 number at 162.5. Trade is still optimistic that China will come back in and buy some beans, some fill-in beans from the U.S. next week when they come back to work after their New Year's holiday. The lineup in South America is long and continuing to build, so the feeling there is that they will come back, and that's adding a little bit of optimism here today to the soybean complex. We did get news late yesterday that Valero will be opening in resuming ethanol production in the Albion, Nebraska plant, which is a good sign that now they've been able to procure some corn and get back to ethanol production. The profitability has improved since the decrease in price and the increase in price in gasoline. Therefore, they're going to go back online. The Buenos Aires Exchange estimated the Argentina corn crop yesterday at 25 million metric tons. That's down from the USDA's number last week of 27 million metric tons. We are also seeing open interest continue to increase on this decline in price, which can mean two things. Either commercials are coming in buying, or the speculator is believing that they need to be long this thing, so they're in buying. It appears that the funds have been the sellers in the last few days. So it's going to be critical to watch for this CFTC Commitment of Traders report that'll be out this afternoon around 2:30. Markets are closed on Monday. Grains will open at 7 p.m. on Monday evening. Livestock markets will open at 9:05 Tuesday morning. In the livestock complex, the cash cattle traded down $2 this week, down to 123. Product still is not very optimistic. It continued or stopped the sharp slide anyway. We were down 15 cents yesterday in choice and up 28 cents on the select cutout values. Pork cutout continues to nosedive here, down 112. Again yesterday. The demand for meat, we've seen that earlier this week when the USDA released their export numbers for December, showing declines in beef and pork exports up to 14% from a year ago. So those are things that are causing some issues there. If we've seen any sign of improvement in product demand, I think the supply of hogs and cattle could give us some bounce there, and a very quick bounce. But the trend is still down. We need a strong close today to help turn this market around. But we'll be watching that very closely here at Allendale. And if you got any questions, give us a call at 800-262-7538. We'll be out in Watertown, South Dakota on Monday. and Mankato, Minnesota on Tuesday at 9:30, 10 o'clock. Look at the website. You can see all the details of the meetings. They're free. Lunch will be served, and we'd be happy to have you stop by if you're in the area. So if you got any questions, 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and we'll talk to you on Monday morning. Thank you.